What is the simplest way for a regular person to make their kid a millionaire?
I'm a millionaire.
After spending a lot more time than I initially thought I'd have to figuring out the answer, we're going to see that it's nowhere near as difficult as you might think it is. Let's learn. You are a wonderful, loving parent looking for the simplest and easiest way to lessen any future financial burdens that your kids will undoubtedly face as they go through life.
Look, life's tough.
This video is applicable to any parent with any financial situation, but it is most relevant to those who are currently working to build wealth themselves. To answer our question, we need to talk about what pop culture refers to as the eighth wonder of the world. This force is an almost magical entity that controls virtually every part of your life without you even knowing it. It's responsible for things like this happening, and it's responsible for things like this happening. Your understanding of this force will absolutely shape how successful both you and your children are with money over the course of your life. Let's talk about exponential growth. Okay, I have a question for you. Let's say that you're a microbiologist working in a lab. You put a single bacterium on a petri dish and you put that petri dish into an incubator. Every minute that goes by, the number of bacteria in the dish double. You leave the room for 60 minutes, and when you return, you find that that dish is 100% completely filled with bacteria. All right, now here's the question. At what time was the petri dish half full? Pause the video, think about it, hit the like button to lock in your answer. I bet your gut intuition wants to say something around the 30-minute mark, maybe 30, 40 minutes, right? If that's what you were thinking, great effort, but you're completely wrong.
Wrong, sir. Wrong.
The answer is actually 59 minutes, 1 minute before you return to the room. Okay, I got one more for you. What percent of the petri dish was filled after 50 minutes? Again, pause the video, think about it. The answer to this one is 0.1%. That's right, 0.1%. The dish was basically empty.
It's empty?
10 minutes before you return to the room. When things follow an exponential growth trajectory, it looks like nothing's happening for a really long time at the beginning, and then out of nowhere we see this explosion of growth, just like what happened with Warren Buffett's wealth over his lifetime. And now we get to the reason why you clicked on this video in the first place. Keep that petri dish example in mind. We're going to use exponential growth to generate a ton of money for ourselves. Time is our most precious resource, and it's time for us to start investing. I always recommend to somebody new to investing that they choose a total stock market index fund as their first investment. I use VTSAX from Vanguard. There are plenty of other options at other brokerages for you to choose from though. As of right now, you need to have a $3,000 initial deposit saved up to start investing in VTSAX. But once you make that initial deposit, any future contributions can be as little as $1. You can answer our question using online calculators that are already there, but what would the fun in that be?
Pretty boring, I bet.
I love making extra work for myself. I'm kind of weird that way. I decided to go straight to the equations themselves and figure out a direct solution. I know you didn't come here to watch me do some tedious algebra, and if you did, we should probably be friends.
God, why am I such a loser?
Instead, the results are programmed into a handy little calculator that I made in Google Sheets. We're going to go there in just a moment. Feel free to go to the description, download the file, and play around with it on your own. Okay, our first strategy is going to be a lump sum investment before the child is born. How much do we need to put in and let sit there until the child retires to make them a millionaire? So our desired final value is $1 million. Our average annual interest rate of return, we're going to assume 6%. Anything from 5 to 7% is reasonable. You want to use inflation adjusted numbers here because we're projecting really far out into the future. So I'll do 6%. And years until retirement, we have 67. So there's our answer. We need $20,160 saved up ahead of time before our baby's born to invest in the market. If we get that money in there and let it sit for 67 years, it should end up with something close to $1 million in spending power in today's money. I bet I can guess what's going through your head right now. Yeah, dude, this is all well and good, but who has $20,000 sitting around, especially when there's a baby on the way? That's a little ridiculous. I get it, I totally agree. Let's see if we can figure out something a little more manageable. Instead of putting all our money into the market all at once, we're going to split things up over time. Let's say that we can save up a $3,000 initial deposit. We're going to do that ahead of time before our baby's born. Then, once our child's born, until that child turns 18, we're going to make regular investments. We're going to let the money sit then, and then when the child turns 67 years old, we're going to hopefully have $1 million in there. Let's see what that looks like. We'll add in $3,000 as our initial investment. Length of time is going to be 18 years. When you do that, it comes out to $4.34 a day. Okay, so to officially answer our question of what the easiest way to make our child a millionaire is, we're going to invest our money into a total market index fund. We're going to save $4 to $5 a day every day until our child turns 18, and we're going to let that money sit until our child is ready to retire. Once our child hits retirement, the spending power of that account should be somewhere close to $1 million in today's money. Not too bad, right? And seriously, don't worry if you can't do this exactly right now. You know, maybe your child's older, maybe saving that amount every day is a bit too much. It doesn't matter. Do whatever you can, just get some money into the market. Let's say that the account doesn't reach $1 million by the time your child's ready to retire. Who cares? That's like me being upset because I had a goal of being able to bench press 300 pounds. I do a whole bunch of work and I only make it to 250 pounds. I'm still in really great shape, right? It's the same idea here. Jumping back to our sheet, let's assume that the account only reaches 500,000 as opposed to that million. We'll change this to 500,000, and it would take us $1.79 saved every day for us to reach that amount. Let's say that we want to make it 250,000. Well, then we literally need to save 2 quarters a day. It is amazing how setting that little amount aside every day can turn into such a huge amount of money for your child at the end of this. Finally, let's say you don't want to save up an initial $3,000 deposit just to get going. Fidelity has a very similar option to Vanguard's VTSAX called FSKAX, which has a $0 initial deposit. So you can get started investing in FSKAX for as little as $1. What does this scenario look like? All we have to do is go back to our calculator, change this 3,000 to a 0, and we see that we need to save $1.28 every day for us to reach that $250,000 threshold of buying power when our child reaches 67. When it comes to projecting investment returns into the future, everybody's guessing.
You know, the best bets are just guesses.
Nobody knows what's going to happen. If you ever hear somebody tell you different, they are lying to you. The only thing you can do is invest as much as you can, as often as you can, for as long as you can. There's an old Chinese proverb that goes like this: the best time to have planted a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Keep that in mind whenever you're thinking about investing your money. All right, that's all I have for today. If you got value out of this video, do all the fun social media stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments. Best of luck on your journey. Take care. I'll see you soon.